While at the college, you will be asked to use scholarly sources in your assignments. These scholarly or peer-reviewed sources support your ideas in your assignments. These scholarly resources include journal articles, books, book chapters, streaming video, conference papers, and theses. Sources such as Wikipedia, newspaper articles, magazines, trade journals or magazines, newsletters, blogs, and social media sites are considered popular sources and are therefore not scholarly. They can be useful for a background reading on a topic though, and we'll look at a little bit more of how to use that in a moment. So, how do we identify a scholarly resource? A scholarly resource is written by researchers who are experts on the topic. They report their findings through vigorous trials and data collection, which is then reviewed by other peers in the field. Scholarly resources include comprehensive in-text citations and a reference list or bibliography. So in this example, we can see that they are quoting the World Health Organization with their in-text quote, and also supported by data. Scrolling to the bottom of this example article, you can see they have a large and comprehensive citation or reference list. It can also be referred to as bibliography. So lucky for you, you have an easy way to find scholarly resources through our library website. On our site, you can put in your topic into our search all resources. And on the far left-hand side, there's this little limiter called scholarly or peer-reviewed journals. So if I click on that, it will update with any journals that it considers scholarly based on the pieces that we looked at before. Really handy. So if you are using something from the web, always make sure that you're looking for those in-text citations, its bibliography page, and where it gets its data from as well. This is an example of one that was found from the web, and you can see the results, some in-text citation quotes, all the trials they've done, who they're quoting, and going to the very, very bottom, here is the reference list. Perfect. Let's jump back to using Wikipedia to get a background understanding of a topic. You've been probably told your whole life not to use Wikipedia, but guess what? You can to a certain degree. So how I like to use Wikipedia is to give me that background understanding of a topic, as well as to find some keywords. I don't have a thesaurus built in my brain, so if I'm looking up, let's just say, the legalization of marijuana, maybe there's different ways to refer to the word marijuana that would give me better searches when I run that through our library scholarly search. So I'll put my topic right now into Wikipedia, legalization of cannabis. Here I can get that overview of the topic, and I can just see at the top maybe different ways to refer to this item. So cannabis or marijuana, some ideas of where it's legalized and where it isn't. This also helps me build my topic for research. So maybe it's not just the legalization of marijuana that I want to look at. Maybe I want to evaluate the medical use of the marijuana, or why it hasn't been used in some countries versus others. Again, all that nice background information that we can gather from this topic can start at Wikipedia, even newspaper articles as well. All of those popular sources can just give us that little bit of a background.